Hey guys, so today I'm going to be washing and styling some of these dolls. So these are all Toys R Us right here. And then I also have my two clowns that I showed you guys in my last video. So I need to wash them as well. I have this cute Toys R Us little kid right here, pigtails, and she has little freckles, just some marks I'm gonna try and get out with like acetone. It's probably gonna take her cheek blush off, so I'll like probably try and like put that back on if I can, even if it's just like with blush or something. But she's super cute, and I have a really cute outfit for her already, so I'm really excited. And then this Toys R Us kid is so cute. I'm pretty sure she's from the pet collection because she has that headband on, but it's just such a cute face. She doesn't have really any marks. And I have a really cute outfit I have planned for her already. These two babies are gonna be in like actual baby clothes. So I have another baby, which I'll show you. So I got them for my boyfriend. The baby's literally in a crib. Like, it's so cute. It's like one of these cribs that I had when I was little, like a toy crib. It's like a princess one. That one came in this giant case with a bunch of clothes. So I have these two right now. This one came when I got it came with this really cute ladybug outfit. So I think I'm gonna just put her back in that. And then this one is gonna be in one of the other outfits. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm really excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead. These ones I already did wash. I washed them so long ago now. Like, I've just been stalling. So these are clean. And then these two I need to do just like a good washing of, and then let them dry. And then my two clowns I have to do like full cleaning of. Right here are my clowns my boyfriend got for my birthday. So these are like old and dusty, so I'm fully washing all of their clothes. They're giving full baths and everything. I'm gonna scrub their faces and all that. So yeah, I'll be back once they're all cleaned, and then we'll put the stuff on them.
This tree in the middle of everything is really funny. What gathering is happening? That's so busy. It could potentially be that. Right? But they do look like they're spotted.
Okay, so I was able to get these. I mean, these ones have already been cleaned. Sorry, like, I don't know. It's just kind of gonna stay like that, honestly. And then this cute one here. So I'm gonna have all of them dressed up. I have some of these big scrunchies I'm gonna do. I have clothes for her I'm gonna put on. And then I'm gonna put these cute ones on her. And I think I have shoes for her as well. I need to find them. But yeah, super excited.
First in line. And yeah, so now we're gonna go to the art cellar for the first time. Sunday. My Easter crackers. Because, can't throw me. Brushing them.
So I finished two of them so far, so I want to show you these ones. So I have the first TRU doll. She is in the all-star like sport outfit. So it's a super cute pink, green, and yellow color combination. So cute because her little butt says sport with a little star on the R. And then also on these pants, there is a little 7 with a star. And then I put her hair in the pigtails with the big pink scrunchies that match. And her shoes kind of are peeling a little bit, but it's okay. They're still really cute. And then I put some flowers in her hair. And I redid her twists in the front and put elastics on them. So she's super cute. I'm really happy with how she looks. And then this one is also so cute. This side of her face, again, is kind of messed up. But it's okay. Like, that's not going to be something I'm going to be actively looking at all the time and getting, like, angry about or anything. I originally had her hair in 2 scrunchies. But I needed to obviously put it in this bandana because this is part of her outfit. So I just took the scrunchies out, so it's still kind of like in that position, but it can fit properly in this bandana and still look nice. I put some purple flower clips in her hair. And then I also redid her twists and put elastics in there. But she has this like cute flowy shirt on with the little flowers. And her cute little pants, all the embroidery. They have the same flowers on the top. And then I have little socks for her. So these two are super cute. I'm really happy about them. I'm going to dress these ones now and dress the clowns as well. The clowns are currently drying, so I'll show you guys all of them once the other 4 are all done. I'll do kind of a walkthrough of all of them again. Here's the other little baby, by the way. It's in this Disney princess crib. But this is another TRU baby I have just here. And it's not an actual Cabbage Patch outfit. It's like a cute little puppy onesie. And there's another little baby Cabbage here. I just wanted to show you this one real quick. It's in a cute little star and moon blanket. There's a little teddy bear in here and a little rattle. I just finished one of the Toys R Us babies, so I wanted to show you. So she's so cute. I put some little Hello Kitty clips and other little flower clips in her hair. There's like a mark on her face. I could not get it out, so I'm just kind of covering it. She's super cute, and she's in this little angel shirt and pants. This is not Cabbage Patch, I don't believe. This is like something else. Like, it fits her, but it's not like, I don't think, made for cabbages. But I think it's super cute. And let me show you the other one as well. And then here's the other little baby. So she has little pigtails. I put her hair in, and then her bangs are down. They're a little like curly and kind of like, I don't know, frizzy question mark. But I still think they're super cute. And then she's in this little ladybug dress that has some little pants. They're all polka dot. She's super cute in this little bow. But I think it's so cute. It goes really well with her. I don't really have like any nice little clips I think would look good with her, honestly. Like, I think this bow is like it. That's all I really like. I think she looks cute just like that, honestly. But they both look super, super cute. Okay, so I have them all done now. So I just want to kind of show them all together. So also, I didn't notice, like, I didn't do this intentionally, but it's kind of silly that it came out this way. Because these ones I washed, like, it was so long ago, and I think it's been, like, almost a month. And then these ones, like, I just finished. So I wanted to put them all in a video together, but I didn't realize, like, these two, like, match. Like, they're, like, they seem like siblings, and then these two seem like siblings. So I thought that was really silly. Because I didn't even mean to put them in the same video or anything together. These are all the Toys R Us ones. So I'm super happy with how they look. The little hair clips and everything, and they're so pretty. It's so cute. I love that one's little shirt, and this one, a little ladybug. Okay, so these ones, I washed all of their clothes. A little mask. I don't know, their faces kind of scare me a little bit, but it's okay because they're covered up by the masks now. But I washed their clothes in the washing machine. I wiped down the shoes. I wiped down their masks. And then I gave them both baths and let them air dry for a few days. So they're all done now. And I just put their clothes back on and styled their hair in those ponytails and the pigtails. With my boyfriend, we just put them together right now and just finished. They're so cute. Like, I love these little clowns. I have been obsessed with like just the clown dolls, like with the porcelain faces and stuff like that. Like, I would go to like any thrift stores and all that and like just find like them for like 99 cents or whatever, and I'd have so many. Like, I have this big collection of the little clown dolls, so these are like big versions of those, and they're just like so nice. Like, the quality of like the whole outfit is just really good, so it just makes me really happy. So that is all of them together here, and I will be doing an actual Cabbage Patch collection video at some point. I might start it now, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.